Sophie, our ones are high number rubbish.
I want more big ones.
They are big ones, it's just we're up here. That's all. I like that, look, for him. And there's some over here too.
Oh, we thought we got in the end there, we got all those
Gotta be some biggies somewhere.
Yeah. Remember, that's only the start of it. I hope. Is that finished already? Oh no, it's not. Oh no, it's not. I just thought they took a big break.
Oh, there's some of it on the sea. Yeah, it looked like all it fell in the sea.
I tried zooming in, but you couldn't see it. But there was
Ones that bounce
Yeah,
off the wall.
yeah.
Stop that noise. Well, stop crying on me.
Can't see all the small little ones, can we? From here.
They bloody did, didn't
I was just seeing if that was in someone's garden.
It probably is, but at least we get to watch some wherever the other ones are. I'd have thought they'll be over there.
There have been people over there with a torch, whether they're just fishing. I don't know.
But you can't really even see all them ones. You can't even see them.
Oh, I see them now.
Oh yeah, right, up here then.
standing on the road.
Yeah, that's it.
Might get right.
There's a car.
I think the car will probably realise that we're standing in the road. Especially if Jamie comes over here and stands in the road. He's in yellow, can't miss him.
Well, it's a bit dirty.
Yeah, just a bit. You can't really see it as much as you usually can. It needs a wash.
Damn it, trouble.